was cutting in that mud down there. I probably hit a stone. I just bought a sharpener from Harbor Freight. Electric. You have to take the blade, the chain out of the saw in order to sharpen it. And I didn't set it up yet, it's still in the box. I just picked it up last night. But they had them on sale there. But actually they forgot to take the tag off of it. It was, I guess the sale ended a couple days ago. They're regular $50. And they're $20, $19.97 or something. A couple months ago I seen them for $50 and I thought, I just either sharpen it with a file or I have one of these. This is one of Sears' ones. Little rotor tool, I guess. I think this one was specially made for chainsaws. It has that adapter on it, but I think you can buy that for any rotor. Small router. But I've been using it, and it's way faster than a file. But if you're, of course, if you're out in the woods, you got no electric there. But it works pretty good. I was going to get a chance now to see how that other thing sharpens it. Of course, I'm gonna, for now, use this. I don't have to take the chain off. It's one thing that this is a lot more convenient because of that. You can see that has different degrees on it, and what you do is, well, you turn that on and you got to hold this at 10 degrees, the angle this way, and also that so it gives you the 30 degree that way. This particular chain is actually 25 degrees, but 30 degrees works, so it works fine enough. And then the opposite, hold it 10 degrees down that way, and for the opposite side there, you can see, and you just hold on an angle. It works pretty slick once you get used to using it. You just gotta get used to using it. All you do is get a marker. Use any kind of marker. This is a Sharpie. Anyhow, mark one of them so you know where you started. Nice heavy mark on there. Just watch you don't wipe it off, because if it's not dry, it will wipe off. That was the last one. You see, that's a lot quicker than going like this with everyone.